Welcome back to the channel. If you love home theater gear, audio tech, and smart setups, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a compact yet powerful AV receiver that's perfect for entry-level or mid-range home theaters. The Yamaha RX-V385 5.1 channel AV receiver with Bluetooth. This receiver brings together solid sound, simple connectivity, and 4K Ultra HD video pass-through, making it a great centerpiece for your entertainment setup. It pushes 145 watts per channel and supports Dolby TrueHD and DTS-HD Master audio, so you get powerful, clear, and immersive surround sound that really pulls you into the action. Streaming music is a breeze thanks to built-in Bluetooth. Just pair your phone or tablet, and you're ready to enjoy your playlists wirelessly. And when it comes to video, the RX-V385 delivers true 4K Ultra HD clarity with HDR pass-through, perfect for your modern TV or projector setup. Just make sure to use high-speed HDMI cables to get the full 4K experience. On the connectivity side, you get 4 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output, an auxiliary input, USB port, headphone jack, and even an AM/FM tuner. Setup is quick and smooth with Yamaha's YPAO auto room calibration, which adjusts the sound based on your room's acoustics. It also supports HDMI CEC, letting you control power and volume with devices like your Roku remote. User reviews say it best. One noted how easy it was to EQ for their 3.1 setup and how the soundstage was so good, they didn't even miss the rear channels. Another appreciated the auto-switching between inputs when devices like Blu-ray players powered on. It's the kind of plug-and-play performance you want from an AV receiver. If you're looking for a reliable, great-sounding unit that handles both audio and video beautifully, without unnecessary fluff, the Yamaha RX-V385 should be at the top of your list. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AV tech content,